There is a challenge in creating functional relief products. And the challenge is they have to work within the first 10 seconds of someone using them.
Understanding the pains that people deal with. You don't schedule those appointments ahead of time to say, this is when I need relief. You need it when you need it.
One of our biggest strengths is we make all of our designs in-house.
We are a function brand first, but we have to make our products beautiful so that they are more usable for people.
There's a synergy between it's like art and engineering.
We're prototyping, we're building things, taking something complicated and making it easy to use.
Once we've identified something that has potential, then we work together to make something really, really great.
That was like right there.
The Contour is the best product that we've ever come out with. There's this craveable sense. You get on the Contour and all of a sudden you're like, that was it.
It takes therapy that's established, which are traction and decompression, and it lets you do it at home. Like the Contour, the Halo takes really complicated and scary therapies and makes them so simple.
We've seen so many different TENS units or muscle stimulators out there, and they are all kind of intimidating.
The different pad shapes also allow the therapy to cover that whole region.
Chirp is a place of innovation. Like, that's our goal, is to make things that are innovative and easy to use.
We only want to make products that genuinely make people's lives better.